Setting up easy bank transfer with PensionBee couldn't be easier. If you'd like to contribute to your pension using this method, start by logging in to your Beehive. From your Contributions tab, you can amend, cancel and create payments into your PensionBee account. On your Contributions tab, you can view any existing contributions you already have. To make a new contribution, just click the Make a Contribution button below. First, you'll need to select your contribution type. If you're an employer or self-employed, there can be different rules for your contributions. Second, you'll need to select your payment method. You can select Easy Bank Transfer to use this feature. You'll then have to declare the source of your funds. The options are either earnings, savings, or other. And you'll need to confirm you're eligible for tax relief on this contribution before continuing. Third, you'll need to decide how much you'd like to contribute. You can adjust your contribution amount using the plus and minus icons or by typing in the amount. You'll instantly see your tax relief amount. If you'd like, you have the option of making this a regular payment. Tick both boxes to confirm your tax relief eligibility, then click Next to continue. Finally, select the name of the UK bank that you'd like to transfer money from. If you don't see your bank in the list, select Other. Take a moment to check the contribution amount and name of your bank are correct before continuing. To complete your Easy Bank transfer, you'll need to authenticate the transaction with your bank. And that's it! Easy Bank transfer made simple by PensionBee.